to the H to the L-O-E-E-E. Just Chloe. Hey everyone, welcome back to Just Chloe. It's me, Chloe, and today we're going to be doing another taste test video. This one's going to be a really different one. So, look at this beautiful blue bag. Inside has snacks that I've never tried before / never seen before. So we're going to be trying mystery snacks or exotic snacks. So let's start and like and subscribe. Alright, so let's close my eyes and let's pick one snack. I have a lot of snacks in here, a lot of goodies. Let's get started. Okay, I'm going to choose. I have my eyes closed. What's this? Ooh, alright. So this is the marshmallow. This is peach flavored marshmallow. Alright. Open it up. This package is so cute and it's pink. I'm wearing all pink today. Look at the packaging. Alright, let's taste test this. Marshmallow, all squishy. Ooh, filling. Whoa. Oh. I don't know if I really like that. It's like, the marshmallow part is really, really good. It's more the dense, chewy side. And then the pink filling inside is really sour. I don't even think that's peach. That's more like a passion fruit or grapefruit. The filling is liquidy. It doesn't. It tastes like the scent of peaches. That one is actually no. It kind of tastes like lemon. Like the filling inside is like lemon, like lemony, and I don't really taste peach. But I think like this one packaging really cute. So I am gonna rate it out of the taste, the smell, and the packaging. So the packaging, 10 out of 10, so cute. The smell, smells like marshmallow, really, really good. When I opened the packet, I could smell peach and marshmallow, really good. The taste, I would give it a 5 out of 10. It's not something I would eat every single day, but it's an okay snack. It's just the filling tastes like lemony, and it's not peach, and it's really strong and sour. And don't get me wrong, I love sour things. But this one, a little bit like it's like lemony, not even peach. So 5 out of 10 for the taste, for the smell, 10 out of 10, and for the packaging, 10 out of 10. Next, food item. I'm gonna close my eyes and pick this one. Ooh, more marshmallow. More marshmallow. You guys, I got 3 packets of marshmallows. So this one is chocolate marshmallow. It has a chocolate flavored filling inside. Let's see what this. Once you open the packet, you can smell marshmallow. All right. I'm gonna be a tough critic today. Oh my God! Whoa. Is the chocolate filling not liquidy? The chocolate filling looks like it's like really solid and dense. All right. Oh. They're like chocolate chips. Oh. It's pretty good. The chocolate inside is really dark. That's really good. Better than the peach one. Because I'm a chocolate lover. It says, since 1971. And you can see, this says, let's taste. Wow. Pretty good, actually. The packaging isn't as cute. So I would rate it a 8 out of 10 for the packaging. The smell, 10 out of 10, smelling chocolate. And the taste, a 9.5 out of 10. I wish the chocolate was more milk. chocolate. It's dark chocolate, which is still really good, but it's a little bit too bitter for me, in my opinion. Still really good. The chocolate one is better than the peach one. Next one. Next snack we got. Ooh, so this is Lychee Fruit Tea. So I had to put some drinks in here as well. This is lychee. I thought this was really cool, so it comes with a straw in the back. Open it up. Let's see how many views and likes we can get this video. Let's open the lid. Oh my god, I don't know. Okay. Oh, my hair. Wow, the packaging. Sorry guys, one sec. Okay, I got my scissors. I know, what am I doing? Is a drink in there? Oh, I see the liquid. Ooh, I smell lychee. Oh, we're supposed to poke it with the straw. Whoops. It's okay. At least we got a hole in there now. Oh, the straw's a little bit too small, isn't it? Isn't that too small though? Uh-oh. Oh my god, this tea is really good. The packaging is a little bit cute also. Don't get me wrong. Guys, this is legit tea, but with just some lychee flavor in it. I just wish the straw could be a little bit taller. Like, what is this? So tiny. I have to hold it so it doesn't fall in. This one is really, really good. Guys, this is so refreshing too. After you eat some chocolatey sweet things, and then you drink this lychee tea. Oh my god, my mom would love this. This is really good. It tastes like tea. Tastes like lychee. The taste, 10 out of 10. Packaging, I will give it about a 7 out of 10 for the packaging. And the smell, 10 out of 10 as well. It smells exactly like lychee once I opened it. Really, really, really good. I'm going to put the straw in the lid so it doesn't, fall in. Alright, I'm definitely going to be drinking that throughout the video, I'm pretty sure. We got some scissors on standby. But we got the next snack. Let's see what's next. Ooh, here we got some chips. Alright guys, how cute is this? This is Mario chips. Chip Star, it says. It is shrimp seaweed flavor. So it's shrimp and seaweed together. So cute packaging. Let's taste. How do you even... Why is this one so hard to open? Like, how you... Oh, there we go. Oh, it's in a packaging. Okay, a packaging with more packaging. Should I use the scissors? Okay, yeah, this packaging is really tough. Oh, wait, no, there's a tag. There we go. Look at the chips. All right. Ooh, that smells like shrimp. Okay. Oh, so I like shrimp. I like seaweed. This is what it looks like. Really good, really good. Okay. Oh, wow. First bite into it, shrimp. I've been eating sweet things after eating low salty thing. This is good. Better than I thought it would be. Oh my god. This entire thing is 234 calories. Yeah. I'm not eating it all in one sitting, don't worry. This is really, really good. It's really tasty. Alright. It's good. One more. Really good. It's like roasty, seaweed flavor. I'm on this side because I don't want to block my little light over there. That's my piano on the back. Love it. Flavor, 10 out of 10. Packaging, 10 out of 10. Really cute. And then the smell, let me smell. What is smelling thing? The smell is 3 out of 10. I don't really smell much. I know, so we're waiting by the smell, but alright, let's close it up. This packaging is really cute. I could easily keep this, which I will. Reduce, reuse, recycle, everybody, okay? You know, I reuse my things every single time. If it's a packaging that's really cute, that's not already broken like this, then I will still use it. I'm still keeping this container. I like to reuse things. Alright, I'm going to drink some of my lychee tea over here. I love this lychee tea. Try it out. I saw there had like other flavors. I chose lychee. Oh my god, that's so good. Alright, next up we got something sweet. This is raspberry and grape flavored cake. Kundu cake. That's what it looks like. Purple and pink. This is my mom and me mixed together because my favorite color is pink and her favorite color is purple. So this is literally my mom and me mixed together. Ooh! These packaging, once again, so cute already. Alright, let's try some cake. Now, I normally don't really like cake when it's like frostings like and stuff like that. I like mousse cake, so let's see how this goes. Not too sure. But this one sounded really interesting, so I had to get it. This is what it looks. Alright, doesn't look too pretty right now, but once I bite into it, it's probably gonna be a bright, vibrant purple color. Alright. Wait. It is actually addicting. I don't taste grape though. Is it because I just ate this and then drank some of the lychee tea? I don't taste grape. Looking bad for you folks. I care about the flavor. If it tastes like what the flavor is supposed to be, I'm automatically a 10 out of 10. Really good. What is that in there? You see those little black things? I'm not too sure. It's grape flavored, not raspberry. No raspberry in it. I don't taste grape. Oh wait, that was a little sour. It also tastes like vanilla. It tastes good. And I thought it would be dry. It's not. In my opinion, it's really tasty. I don't know if I taste grape. Maybe it's because I had shrimp flavored chips before this. And other stuff. So my taste buds are gone. Still really good though. I think the frosting with the icing inside in the middle. It's pretty good. It's very light, subtle. I finished it. Really good. Wow. It's really vibrant. Like the color is really vibrant. It's really good, guys. Oh, I taste some grape now. Taste some sourness. Okay. Packaging wise, 9.5 out of 10. Still really, really adorable. The smell, I actually don't know. It smells like a 4 out of 10. And the taste, 9.5 out of 10. Really, really good. I just wish there was more grape to it, you know? If it was more grape to it, probably 10 out of 10. So refreshing. I'm definitely saving some for I'm definitely saving some for my mom to try. I know she'll love that tea. Next. Ooh, last chips. Okay, guys, this one is crazy. It says wonder flavor. So this flavor is kind of like a mystery. It's like wonder flavor. It's purple. Look at that. It's literally purple. So, oh my god. I don't know. Like, look. It says wonder taste. Not too sure. But let's try it. Packaging and more packaging. Feels like I'm opening a door. Oh my god. It's actually purple. Oh. Is this spicy? No, right? What is wonder? Wait, it smells like curry. You guys know like curry? That's what it smells like. It's purple. It's so cute. Okay. I just say purple on top of purple. Oh, it's not spicy. This smells better than the shrimp one. I can't explain it. What is this? It's like salty and sweet. It just tastes like original Pringles with like a hint of some sort of wonder taste. It's actually really good. I really love these. They have one more flavor, but that one I didn't get it. This one better. Oh my god. It tastes like I'm in a different world. Okay, time to rate. Container or / packaging. 10 out of 10. The smell, 8 out of 10. And the taste, 10 out of 10. It's really good, you guys. Really, really good. But I hope you guys enjoy part 1. And I'll see you guys in part 2. Bye, everyone.